Hi, and thanks for watching Northern Waters Cleansing Co.'s YouTube channel. If you don't follow me on social media, then I highly suggest you check me out on Instagram, because that's where you're going to see a lot of teaser pics and some videos of what you're going to see coming up on YouTube soon enough. Today's video is another in the series of me playing with my new bath bomb press. If you're not familiar with this press, it's a pneumatic bath bomb press. It comes with a variety of different molds, and especially in my case, it has improved my efficiency exponentially. I still enjoy doing hand press bath bomb molds, but they are considerably more time consuming than using a pneumatic press. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I press my Eucalyptus Spearmint bath bombs. This is a spherical bath bomb. It's using the medium-sized sphere mold, and I think the resulting bath bombs turn out just lovely. They're smooth, they go rock hard with the recipe that I'm using, and I really don't have any difficulty with this recipe. You'll notice some of my other recipes with the bath bomb press, I'll mention perhaps in the description, that the fragrance oil can sometimes cause my mixture to be a little bit more sticky, and which means I have to kind of jack up the oil content of my bath bombs. But for this particular one, Eucalyptus Spearmint, the fragrance oil is just beautifully behaving. It doesn't cause the bath bombs to stick to the mold, and so I'm able to whip through this recipe, which I think my recipe makes about 6, and then I have a little bit left over. I can whip through this very quickly. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye for now.